So here's the Boss steering wheel adapter. Got it from eBay. Got it today. So I already explained you guys how about the horn wire works, and because of that, you're not going to use this piece right here. So you can get rid of that. Take the ventilation off. You got the turn signal that never returns it. You want to line up the taps with it. Before that, you want to run the wire through it. Just like that. You want to make sure you line this two up. Make sure you don't break them. Putting it on. There you go. That's it. 21 mil screw. Snug for now. You got this insulation. Works. That's good. Look at the steering wheel. Here's my NRG quick release, and seems we got two sets of wire. Use either. Hope so. I'm gonna go for the yellow one. At this point, I'm gonna wind this wire in here, just so I get enough slack when you're turning your wheels left and right. That way they don't get stretched. Right there. Six screws. bitch to get it back in there. There you go. There you go. Now with that bad, whatever. And now it's turning them. Just hope for the horn to work. This thing's gonna be way. So that means I have to come apart again, make the horn work. So I usually choose the wrong wire. There you go. And gotta switch the wires around. So that means I gotta take it apart again. No biggie. Just gotta switch the wires. Hopefully the horn will work. Hopefully this video has been a help with the airbag issue. Appreciate the comments. Thank you.